What does it mean to be a Utahn?
The people is what makes Utah so unique.
It's got beauty, it's got atmosphere, community.
You can go to a lot of these communities all over the state and see that same type of heritage.
Our spirit is still here someplace.
I think wherever we are, that's who we are. That's home.
I was born in Berkeley, California in 1926. We used to have a dry goods store on Sacramento Street. They put a sign up on the telephone pole, I think it was, that we would be relocated. Oh, I felt pretty bad. You know, but since all of us were gone, I just thought, well, I guess that's it. We're going to camp. We packed just what we figured we needed, and there was 6 of us, and our whole family went. We got on these old trains. That was a terrible ride. The shades are all closed down and people got sick. Those trains were old. I mean old. Oh, my guys are throwing up in there. When I first got to Topaz, I couldn't get over how the soil was. God, you just sink down in there. That's what probably most everybody thought. Barracks had big cracks in the floor, and the dust just blew right through the windows. It was cold, but they gave us pea coats, and we had pot-belly stoves at each of the barracks. These Levi's, I had 4 of these. You know, and I wanted Levi jackets and Levi pants. So that's all I wore in camp. And people used to ask me if that's all the clothes I have. An average day, I would go eat breakfast at the mess hall. And in the afternoon, I'd go do my thing at the high school or play football or... Oh, I wasn't too good of a player, but I was a player. So I kept busy. I enjoy playing sports for Topaz High. Those years I was on the track team, so we got to go out of camp and play. Oh, Utahns, they're friendly people. Now, during the war years, that was a little different. I guess they hated Buddha heads. And they threw fruit at us and called us Japs. And on the restaurants, they had Japs and dogs keep out. I had a different opinion of them when I first came here from Topaz. But now everything has changed. I met all these farmers. They're all good people. A place becomes a home when you meet the people here. They treated me real good. I felt that Topaz was my home. I met friends there that they're still friends even to this day. So there was some after the war went back to Berkeley because they owned homes back there. Yeah, well, my dad, this guy recruited him to be the chef, and so our family moved up here. There are a lot of Japanese farmers here, but they're all passed on. Well, I like Utah. I like the sports, and my family's here, and I'm just a Utah now.